What's up, legends? Welcome back to Channel V8X, where horsepower meets pure luxury. Today, you're not just looking at a car, you're witnessing royalty on wheels. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Linea Nera Doro, finished in that deep, menacing glossy black that doesn't just shine, it dominates. From the very first glance, this machine commands respect. The front view? Absolutely brutal in the best way possible. That iconic grille stands tall like a king's crown, flanked by razor-sharp lighting that cuts through the air with confidence. This isn't subtle luxury, this is loud, unapologetic presence. And sitting right there, front and center, the custom V8X plate seals the identity. You see it once, you don't forget it. Slide over to the side profile and things get even more serious. Long low. Effortlessly elite. The body lines flow like liquid metal, stretching across the road with executive authority. This is the kind of silhouette that makes traffic slow down and cameras come out. Every inch of this glossy black finish reflects pure wealth energy. No gimmicks, just heavyweight luxury done right. Now swing around to the rear view, and yeah, it hits different back here too. Clean, wide, and confidently aggressive. Those premium tail lights glow with a calm but powerful signature, while the rear V8X plate reminds everyone exactly whose lane this is. Park it anywhere, day or night, this Phantom owns the scene. Step inside the cabin and the story levels up fast. The dashboard is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, rich leather, precision metal accents, and ambient lighting that feels straight out of a private jet. Every button, every surface, every stitch screams elite engineering. This isn't just driving. This is first-class cruising on pavement. Pop the hood and you're looking at the heart of the beast. The engine bay is clean, surgical, and built with that signature Rolls-Royce perfection. Smooth power delivery, whisper quiet authority, and enough presence under the hood to remind you, this luxury ship can move when it wants to. But the real magic? Catch this Phantom in motion on the highway. Rolling shots of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Linea Nera Doro are straight up cinematic. The glossy black paint dances with the sunlight, the ride stays unbelievably smooth, and the entire car floats like it's riding on air. This isn't just transportation, this is dominance in motion. And when night falls, oh, it gets even more dangerous. Under city lights, this Phantom transforms into a shadowy luxury weapon. Headlights piercing the darkness, reflections bouncing off the wet pavement, pure high-end drama. This is the kind of night presence that turns heads at every intersection. Now let's talk numbers, because exclusivity has a price. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Linea Nera Doro is expected to sit deep in the ultra-luxury bracket, with builds easily pushing well beyond $600,000, depending on bespoke options. And honestly, for this level of presence, that price tag makes a statement all by itself. OUTRO, channel call. If this Phantom just raised your pulse, smash that like button and stay locked in with Channel V8X, where the world's most elite machines come to life. More power, more luxury, more V8X.